Hello again, welcome back to Kitty Decoded, where I break down the specific syntax and controls of syntax and arguments of various commands in LSL. We were just doing an episode for a viewer spaghetti skateboard regarding detecting of touched face and detected link number. So we're going to go over those here. They're simple enough that I'm going to use them both together. Integer face equals detected touch face. Integer link equals helps if I spell it right. And then there we go. So all I have here is declaring an integer face and an integer link. Detected touch face. The only argument you need for that is which click you're talking about, because touch start is capable of processing multiple interconnected clicks. The first one that it detects is going to be 0. The only time you're going to have a 1 is if multiple people are clicking on it and holding on to it at the same time. In which case, this would say, just pay attention to the first one. Until they let go, don't worry about it. 90% of the time, that's all you're going to need to worry about. There are rare times you may need to process if multiple people are interacting with an object. Then you would need detected touch face 2 or touch face 3. What have you. But 90% of the time, you're only going to need 1. Detected link number has the same argument. The only one it can take is for the order of which click you're talking about. So, touch link 0 on face 4. Touch link 0 on face 2. This was important here that I linked this object to this object. So this object with the script in it is the root. So it will process up here as well. Touch link 2 on face 4. Touch link 2 on face 2. That is really all you need to know about those two commands. So there you go. Just a quick reference for detected link number and detected touch face. This has been Kitty Decoded. Make sure if this is your first exposure to things, you check out my workshop playlist. Playlist links for both will be in the description, as well as a link to my Discord, which is a good place for getting other information or following up with people. My workshop, I go through more than just how the commands work. I go through how to use them, and as I like to say, every lesson is a project and every project is a lesson. I try to teach code by creating actual usable objects or toys in Second Life. So you see a practical use for everything I teach with every lesson in the workshop. So hope to see you there. Until then, good day, good week, good luck, happy scripting.